Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making this giraffe out of rubbish wood. It's part of the Rubbish Wood Challenge 2021. Gonna go through my crap, see what kind of rubbish wood I got. I'm looking for walnut, pine, poplar, anything I can find really. Can't believe how much rubbish I got. Next thing, I'm gonna start cutting it into strips, random strips, and then start gluing it together. Once all the strips are cut, some of them were not square, so I'm going to square them up at the miter saw. Nothing exciting here, just glue up. I'm gluing up the strips into random colors. Once it's dried, we're going to take it back to the miter saw and cut strips again. Once the strips are cut, we're going to arrange them into random patterns, and then guess what? Yep, you guessed it, is glue up. All I'm trying to do is build a blank so I can work with it, and again, there's no science behind it, just build a blank as wide as you want, as thick as you want. Off camera, what I did was I squared up the blank and then finished up with a rectangle. Finally, the blank is done. We'll take it to the bandsaw. We're going to use the bandsaw to cut the giraffe shape. I don't have a template, so sorry if you're looking for a template. I'm just doing it from the top of my head, so making it up as we go along, and that's the best part of it. The hardest part of this is the shape of the head, and we're going to carve it at the bandsaw. Word of warning, do not recommend this if you're not experienced with the bandsaw. Please take your time, be safe, and use the tool for what it's meant for. I've had many years of experience, so I feel comfortable carving it on the bandsaw. Yep, you've guessed it, some more sanding. I'm using a Dremel to do the sanding around the head. And finally, the last part is the tail. I'll be honest, my first tail broke, so I had to make another one. Finally, I'm going to finish it off with some lacquer and call this project done. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Please leave a comment, a like, and if you really liked it, please share it on your social media. Appreciate it, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.